In this video, we're gonna learn how to plan content for a full month with a mini handmade content calendar that we were gonna work on together. So the first thing we're gonna do is pull up a Word document or a Google document and put in a simple table that can be 4x4, just like this. We're gonna do this for a company called Sava Shoemaker. It's a made-up company, just keep that in mind. The product that they sell is handmade shoes. And the social media posting frequency is about 3 times a week. So they're thinking of posting 3 times a week. So depending on how frequently you're planning on posting, that's how many content categories that I like to create personally. Let's say that for this company, they like to post 3 times a week. I'm gonna create 3 content pillars. And content pillar just means a bucket, like a category of content that we're gonna use to kind of anchor our topics for each week. And this is gonna make sense as you follow along. The first thing we're gonna do is write out our content pillars. So in my case, imagining myself as Sava Shoemakers, what I'm gonna do is my first content pillar is going to be social proof. So that's a category of content that I decided to pick as one of my content. The second thing I have is brand. So anything brand specific, like our values, our mission, what we actually care about, and how do we our process and how do we actually run our business. All that stuff's going to go under brand. And then lastly, we have our product. So here, this is a category where I'm going to put in my offers, new arrivals, seasonal items, and so on. So now on this column right here, you might be noticing that it says topics. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay it out. Topic 1. So for social proof, here is an idea for myself. I'm going to put a customer review about a product. For a brand specific content, one of the topics can be about our values, right? And our values is that we really care about quality over quantity. So I'm going to write quality over quantity. That's one of our values. So I'm going to put that in, quality first. And that's going to be my second idea. Now, the third one for product is going to be latest or newest arrival shot. Now, topic 2. So for our second round, I'm going to do social proof content. So since we have a customer review that I've decided, I'm going to do another one that can be all about, let's say, a video testimonial from customer instead of a written one. Again, these seem similar, but let's say customer review can be something that they have left somewhere and you can just screenshot it and then make it a little bit pretty, put it in a post and then upload it. Whereas the video testimonial can be somebody actually trying on the shoe and really loving it, maybe unboxing. That could be another one. I'm going to put that under here just as an idea. Unboxing. For content pillar number 2, for our brand, one of the values is quality first. I put that as one of my ideas for the first topic. For second topic, my second one's going to be all about how we make it. Maybe a shot of creating the shoes, right? So shoe, like, what goes, the love that goes behind the scene. And for my second topic for product, the first one's the newest arrival shot. The second one can be, a lifestyle shot of one of our products. Shoes. Now for topic number 3 here, I have put in unboxing. That works. Unboxing video from influencer is one, or even just client. It doesn't have to be an influencer. For the third topic under brand, I'm going to think, okay, you know what? I'm going to say, instead of doing our values or how we make it, share our team, right? So maybe behind the scene, we can share who makes up our company. That's one. So maybe showing people the faces that are behind the shoes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, the last one for content pillar number 3 with the product. We've done the newest arrival shot. We've done the lifestyle shot of one of our shoes. The other thing we can do is we can do a cool, video. I know I'm just writing it out. This is how simple you can keep it when it comes to the planning process. And then once you plan it out, it's you can bang out the content very fast if you have the ideas down, because a lot of times it's the ideas that hold us back. So I'll say a cool video of release. That could be one. And lastly, for topic number 4, we've done unboxing, we've done video testimonial, we've done customer review. We can talk about, we can do a social media poll. And let's see, for brand, for our 4th topic, we can do our origin story, like how we came about. And for product, again, here we can do a special offer. Maybe it's a spring sale, or maybe it's, where I'm from right now, we're in Toronto, Canada, so we have 4 seasons. But let's say that you only have 2. That's totally fine. You can still do an offer that's related to different holidays, maybe Valentine's, sweet, some event-based. So you can always do event-based offer as well. And boom, you are done for the month. So here's what you're going to really do to keep it super simple. So if you're posting 3 times a week, your content pillar 1 can go on Mondays. Content pillar 2 can go on Wednesday. And content pillar 3, you guessed it, it's going to go on Fridays. And now you have content for a complete month. So topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4. So here's kind of a simple way to diversify your content. So for example, for week 1, I might post customer review, then post our brand values, then I'm going to post the latest arrival shot. What that does for you each week is, because you're posting from different categories, you're diversifying the content. So you might be thinking, what does that mean? It means that you're not seeing the same thing over and over. How many times have you gone to a social media account and you've noticed that all they post about is, the same picture of the same shoe? Like, it's just a product shot, right? It can get really boring. So when you create a feed with a diverse content, whether it's for Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook, it adds more layers to your company content. So that's why we're creating content based on categories. To kind of align our brain to think, okay, you know what, here's all the content that can go in this category, here's all the ones that go in this one. But then while we do that, we are automatically creating different content for each week, because we're going to be rotating between each of the different content pillars. So hopefully that that helped you out in your journey to planning your content for the month. This helps me when it comes to creating content for dozens of our clients, and also dozens of friends and families who just want some help. So hopefully this helped you out. A content calendar is nothing more than a way to kind of categorize your content and plan it out. So just keep that in mind. This is a simple one that you can do for a month. And if you are looking for actual content ideas, if you can't really think of ideas for your business, one of the things you can do is you can go in the description below. I'm going to put a 365 content idea planner. So basically it's for a full year. There's tons of content ideas in there. You can use that to help you kind of get the idea juices flowing. And that's it from me. Thank you and have a wonderful week. Talk to you next week.